Do you ever meet someone new and suddenly forget every English word you know?
That happens to almost every English learner.
Today, we fix that. 20 natural sentences to help you make friends in English.
No grammar, no overthinking, just real conversation.
Let's go. Sentence 1. Hi, I don't think we've met before.
Hi, I don't think we've met before. Good.
Sentence 2. My name is... What's yours?
My name is... What's yours? Nice.
Sentence 3. It's really nice to meet you.
It's really nice to meet you. Good.
Sentence 4. How do you know everyone here?
How do you know everyone here? Great.
Sentence 5. Are you from around here?
Are you from around here? Good.
Sentence 6. What do you do for work?
What do you do for work? Nice.
Sentence 7. That sounds really interesting.
That sounds really interesting. Good.
Sentence 8. How long have you been here?
How long have you been here? Great.
Sentence 9. I know exactly what you mean.
I know exactly what you mean. Good.
Sentence 10. What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time? Excellent.
Quick question.
Which of these sentences have you used before?
Comment below. We read every single one.
Many learners say nothing because they think their English is not good enough.
But silence never makes friends. These sentences do. Sentence 11. Me too. I love that.
Me too. I love that. Good.
Sentence 12. Have you tried the food here?
Have you tried the food here? Nice.
Sentence 13. You seem really easy to talk to.
You seem really easy to talk to. Good.
Sentence 14. I feel the same way.
I feel the same way.
Simple but powerful. People love this sentence. Sentence 15. Can I ask you something?
Can I ask you something? Good.
Sentence 16. That's so funny. I was just thinking that.
That's so funny. I was just thinking that. Great.
Sentence 17. We should hang out sometime.
We should hang out sometime. Nice.
Sentence 18. Can I get your number?
Can I get your number? Good.
Sentence 19. It was so great talking to you.
It was so great talking to you. Excellent.
Sentence 20. I hope we run into each other again.
I hope we run into each other again. Great.
Now, speed challenge. Say each sentence before we do.
Ready?
Quick recap at faster pace. Bonus phrase. This one always makes people smile.
Talking to you made my day.
Talking to you made my day. Write one sentence you would use when meeting someone new.
For example, it's really nice to meet you.
We read every comment.
Click the next lesson on your screen.
Keep your streak going.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.